Everyone thinks the best-selling clothes rack is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Hisei Double Rods Clothes Rack. Let's kick things off with the Hisei Double Rods Clothes Rack. Priced at $35.13, this one really caught my attention with its unique double rod design. If you want versatile storage for everything from coats to hats, this is worth a serious look. This rack features both high and low rods, allowing you to hang dresses, pants, and even bags or towels on the side extensions. With a sturdy build made from heavy-duty steel, it can hold up to 210 pounds without any wobbling. That's impressive, especially if you're dealing with heavy winter coats. Plus, those 360-degree swivel wheels, they make relocating this rock a breeze, whether you're moving it to clean or just to change up your space. Now, some reviews mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky for some users. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the instructions closely, it should only take about 15 minutes, and it's definitely sturdy once it's set up. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, mobile storage solution for various garments. Skip this one if you prefer a fixed rack that doesn't need to be moved around. For what you're getting, this rack offers great value. Now, if the assembly concerns you, this next one might actually be even better for quick setups. Product number 2, Hisei Double Rods Rolling Rack. Another offering from Hisei, their Double Rods Rolling Clothing Rack. At $37.99, it's a bit more expensive, but it promises a lot of features that could justify the price. If you want to double your storage capacity, this is a solid pick. With the ability to hold up to 240 pounds, this rack is crafted from robust 22mm thickened carbon steel, ensuring it won't wobble even under heavy loads. The dual bar design allows you to organize up to 150 garments, keeping everything neat and tidy. Plus, the quick 8-minute assembly is a game changer if you're short on time. No complicated instructions here, just snap it together and you're good to go. However, some users pointed out that while it's great for storage, it might take up a bit more space than they expected. But if you have a designated spot for it, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is ideal for anyone who has a lot of clothes and needs an efficient way to organize them. Skip this if you're looking for something compact, but for the price, it's definitely worth considering. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something budget-friendly. Product number 3, Sakugi Clothes Rack. Let's check out the Sakugi Clothes Rack, which retails for just $19.99. If you're looking for a solid yet affordable option, this one shouldn't be overlooked. The Sakugi rack boasts a heavy-duty construction made from quality metal that supports up to 82 pounds and accommodates around 33 garments. It's a great option for those who need a reliable place for both short and long garments. The bottom mesh shelf adds extra storage for shoes or boxes, which is a nice touch for maximizing space. Some users have mentioned that while it's sturdy, the design might not hold up as well if overloaded. Here's the thing though, as long as you're mindful of its weight limit, it should serve you well without issue. This is perfect for anyone on a budget who still wants a decent rack. Skip this if you need something that can handle heavier items, but for the price, it's a fantastic deal. If the last rack's weight limit was a concern for you, the next option might just tick all the boxes for durability.
Product number 4, Hisei Rolling Garment Rack. Another Hisei product, their Rolling Garment Rack. Priced at $31.34, this option caught my eye for its easy assembly and solid construction. If you want something quick to set up and sturdy, this could be your answer. Built with reinforced steel pipes, this rack can hold up to 180 pounds, which is impressive for home use. The 360-degree wheels allow for smooth movement, while 2 lockable wheels ensure it stays in place when you need it to. Plus, the height of 63.8 inches is perfect for hanging everything from tops to long dresses without dragging on the floor. However, I did notice some complaints about it wobbling slightly if not loaded properly. But honestly, if you're using it within its limits, it should remain stable. This is ideal if you want a strong, mobile solution for clothing storage. Skip this one if you have limited space, but it offers great value for what you pay. Now, if you want something with even more features for versatile storage, you'll want to stick around for the last product. Product number 5, Sakugi Large Clothes Rack. Let's look at the Sakugi Large Clothes Rack, which is priced at $47.48. This one stands out with its multiple shelves and hooks, making it a great option for anyone needing extra storage. This rack measures 33.0, 12.2,
by 79.5 inches, offering ample space for clothes, bags, and shoes. With a premium construction and easy assembly, it is designed to provide long-lasting durability. The universal wheels make it easy to move around, and 2 of the wheels have brakes for added stability, which is crucial if you're loading it up with heavy items. Some users have mentioned that it can take a bit longer to assemble than expected, but honestly, once you get it up, it's incredibly practical and provides a ton of storage. This is perfect for those who need lots of storage options in a single unit. Skip this if you're looking for something minimalist, but it's a great investment for larger spaces. So there you have it. Each of these racks brings something unique to the table, whether it's mobility, heavy-duty support, or added storage options. From the affordable Sakuji options to the robust High Seisi racks, there's something here for everyone. Choose based on what fits your needs best.